channel. If you're new here, I'm Jenny and I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my channel every single week. I try and do every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today I'm gonna share with you guys a Dollar Tree shop with me and haul video. And so I'm super excited about it. I got so many good things for Valentine's Day. And so I know that's a little ways off, but when it comes to Dollar Tree, if you don't grab what you want right when you see it, then sometimes it is just gone, and that's that. And so if you saw my video last year, kind of making the rounds, I still get tons of comments and views on it. So if you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. But where I made some spring DIYs last year using some Valentine's Day items from Dollar Tree, those items are back this year. So I will link that video down below, and I got some of those items. So they'll be in this video, link down below. Watch that video. So anyway, if that sounds like something that you would like to see, if you want to see what I saw at Dollar Tree and what I ended up bringing home, then please keep watching. So that was everything I saw in the store. Now I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. Super excited. I'm going to start with the signs that I got. You guys, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to start with this one. Guys, isn't this so cute? Okay, so this little red truck, it's super glittery, and it's like the glitter that comes off. But I can't wait to use this for something. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, if I'm going to DIY it or just use it like it is, because look how cute it is. So I just thought this was so cute. I didn't get any of the red truck decor that they came out with for Christmas. So when I saw this in my store, they were just putting out Valentine's Day stuff. So I had to grab this because look how cute it is with the little hearts in it. It says Happy Valentine's Day. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it'll probably be super cute, whatever I do with it. So I got this one. If you see this one, you're going to want to grab it because it'll be gone. The next two that I got, I'm so excited about because these were new to me this year. I didn't see them last year, but they have this one in Welcome. Mine is like really not, obviously they did not glue this on super amazingly, but it doesn't really matter because I'm probably not going to use this like it is. I bought this for these galvanized hearts because these galvanized hearts are so awesome to use for different projects. I used these on a DIY last year, and so many of you guys commented that you would love it if they would sell these by themselves. And this is 3 galvanized hearts for $1. So, and you can still use the boards for something else. You can, you know, sand off this glitter. You can do whatever you want to do with these. This would look pretty. This welcome would look pretty on a wreath, in the center of a wreath, whatever you wanted to do with it. But I loved that. I got this in welcome and I got it in love. So for $2, I got 6 galvanized hearts. So I'm really excited to use those. I will probably use all 6 of these in a DIY. So if you see these in your store, grab these because you can use these galvanized hearts for anything. And then if you get one that's, you know, not glued on weird, you could always use this just as is. This is super cute. This would look great on your door or just hanging on your wall or whatever for decor. This is really adorable. So these are great and I just thought they were so cute. They also had these really cute, they look like gift tags, like large gift tags. This one says Happy Valentine's Day and it has this adorable little bike with the hearts coming out of the basket. I loved this. I thought it was so cute. They have this one with this cute little bow. And then they have this one that says Love is All You Need with the red truck. Red trucks, you know, are always a slam dunk. People love red trucks. So I thought this one was really cute. I may DIY these or I may use them as is. I think they're really cute as is. I like this one better. I just don't love things that say Happy Valentine's Day. We're not big Valentine's Day people, celebrators. I just love red and pink and I love hearts. So we don't really do Valentine's Day, but I do like decorating for Valentine's Day. So I thought these were super adorable. This next one I bought 5 of them because I used these last year for a DIY. It was such a cute DIY, such a good DIY. People loved it. And this, anyway, I got 5 of these. If you see these, grab these. You get the little galvanized heart on it. I will link this DIY down below because it was my most popular video ever. It has tons of views on it. And so grab these if you see them. They have it in red as well. And I like the white one, but you can put these together to make bigger signs. You can put them together like this to make like a tall lean sign for your porch, which I think I'm going to do this year. I have some ideas of how I'm going to do that. It has like the slats, like these are actual slats. And so it looks like real wood. It's not. It's obviously just like the fake wood. But these are so good to make all kinds of different DIYs with, and you get the galvanized heart. And the heart is good for all seasons. It's not just for Valentine's Day, so you can use this in so many different things. I'm thinking about making a welcome sign for my front door with the galvanized hearts. Anyway, these are great. Get as many of these as you can because I'm going to be making some DIYs. I know other YouTubers will be using these to make DIYs. These are great to have, for sure. Okay, I also got these really cute little sort of, what is this, burlap signs with felt on the back. I thought these were really cute and I was thinking I could do something at least with the hearts on them, or I don't know, I just thought this was cute and I figured I could do something with it. So this one says Love You More, and I think I want to pull off the raffia bows and maybe add some ribbon bows, which I'll show you the ribbon that I got in just a second. I definitely came back with some ribbon. So I got this one that says Love You More. And I also got this one that says Hug, Kiss, Love. And I just thought the hearts on these were so pretty with the little check pattern on them. And I thought that was really adorable too. So I might take the hearts off. Definitely gonna take the raffia bows off. I don't love the raffia bows. Raffia's not my favorite. Some people like it. But I figured I could do something fun with these. I don't know what I'll do with them, but something. I also ended up grabbing this heart banner. I saw some people do DIYs with these last year, and so I want to try and come up with something to do with these fun little hearts this year. They're just like the fake wood plank type of things, and they're super glittery, so I don't know if I will sand off the glitter and try and paint them or something, but I thought they were really adorable, and I figured I could do something fun with these too. So stay tuned for my DIY video. If that video is already out by the time you're seeing this video, I will link it down below. If not, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will make sure you see that when it comes out. I also grabbed these two hearts. I have a plan for these. I want to put these on my mantle. I don't love these glittery foam hearts at all, but I have an idea for them of what I want to do with them. That will also be in a DIY video, so stay tuned for that one. But I thought these were a great form to use to make something a little bit cuter with them, and it will be super easy that anyone can do it. So stay tuned for that. They have these stickers back. They've been getting these wood stickers for all different holidays, and they have these for Valentine's Day. I love the pink, and they have the natural wood and the glitter red. So these are great because they look really chic and nice, but it's $1 for all of these, and you can use them for so many different projects. These will be in several different DIYs in my Valentine's DIY video, so look out for these. I did find this word. They had several different words, but I thought this would be fun to DIY or just use by itself for Valentine's Day, and then I can probably just leave it up. Maybe paint the O and the E so that they're not pink, and then I can use it for longer because love is just a great word to have around. And so I loved this because it's big, it's a good size, and it's wood. I mean, it's the fake Particleboard wood, but it looks like really nice, good wood. It's got the wood grain looking to it, and so I thought this was really good size and a really good value for $1. I also grabbed a couple of the Valentine's bandanas. I thought these were cute with the white hearts, and then this one is just like a check pattern, like almost like a buffalo check, but it's pink and red. So I figured there was probably a DIY that I could do with these. I thought they were both cute, and if I end up not using them, my daughter would love these. So these were something I definitely wanted to get. Okay, as far as ribbon, I got several different kinds of ribbon. I ended up getting this kind with the red glittery hearts. I thought this was beautiful, and I figured this would make some beautiful bows if I wanted to use that. I also loved the little white hearts with the shiny red on the outside. And then I got tons of this red gingham. This red gingham they had last year, it was a little bit different. This is a little bit better, I think, than what they had last year. And so I grabbed basically as much as I could carry of this. So I would stock up on this if you like doing crafts, if you're a crafty person. This will be perfect for 4th of July, springtime, summertime. This will be great right into Christmas. So this red gingham is a great deal for $1. Get as much as you can. You will use this all up for every holiday. This is a great deal. And I also got this. I loved this burlap with the glittery hearts on it. I thought that was really pretty. I will say I've already tried using this to plan and do a couple of my DIYs, and it is hard to use. So these glittery hearts are stiff, and so it's hard to like bend this ribbon and tie this ribbon, and it falls apart really easily. So just a heads up on this ribbon, but it is beautiful, and I'm still gonna use it. So I'm just letting you know. I also ended up getting this just plain red, which they still had. They put it with the Valentine's Day stuff, and I figured if I didn't use it for Valentine's Day, it'll be great for Christmas. So I went ahead and grabbed that as well. I also got this beautiful white ribbon with the red sparkly hearts. Thought that was pretty too. I did grab a few Valentine's florals. These are also for a DIY that is coming up. So again, stay tuned for that video. But I did just grab some roses and some pretty, I went mostly with reds and whites because I'm not going to be decorating with a lot of pinks this year, just because I want to be able to leave it up if I want to, and pink is not really my husband's color, you know? So anyway, I went with a lot of reds and creams and whites, and so these are the Valentine's florals I went with. Then another fun find that I got that I hadn't seen before were these little tea lights with a little rose on top. I thought these were so beautiful, and I was so excited to get them home and put them in like a little lantern, which is what I did with them. And then I was so bummed because I'm thinking like I'm gonna get this home and it's gonna be like a pretty white light and this beautiful soft pink rose, and I turn it on and it's this. It's like a rave. So not what I expected, not something that I'm really super into, but if you're into like the colored flashing lights, then you might like this. I'm still gonna use it just because it's really cute. You could maybe pop the rose off and put it on a different tea light. I don't know, but I still think these are really beautiful. They had them in white or like this cream color and pink. So I'm still decorating with them just because it's still kind of a pretty way to decorate. And I just loved the color of this and how beautiful it looks. It looks really almost real. Not really, but for $1 you get 2 of these, and I thought they were really pretty. So anyway, I got these and I thought they were gorgeous. And that is everything that I picked up from the Dollar Tree for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys really enjoyed shopping with me and seeing what I picked up. And I will see you guys in my next video.